Yo, big up to all of the family and all of the friends. You know, say it's Impress Marcy again. Just watch the video straight to the end. See?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Empress Marcy here with another video. If you're new over here, just let me tell you what to do, guys, because it's pretty simple. Pretty simple. Just look right down below on your right hand corner. You see that red subscribe button? Yeah, just go ahead and click it. All right, and just click the bell beside it so that you don't miss any of my uploads, because we have amazing videos over here. All right, yes, you see, quick and simple. All right, let's get into the video. When I did my house tour, some people were asking me, where did you get those tools? They're beautiful, I love them, whatever. They hit me up on Instagram and was asking me, so I decided to do a video to show you how they're set up and where I ordered them from, because we did went ahead and order 2 more and they just come. So I'm gonna do an unboxing for you guys, all right, so that you guys can get familiar with them, see if you like them, and if you want to order them, the links will be down in my description box. All right, so that's it. I'm gonna get straight into the unboxing. So here it is, guys. Let's see what's in there. So guys, I just want to say a big shout out to the Vlogtober crew. Yes, it's October 20 already. We have 20 videos up on our channel since October. Isn't that amazing? Yes, it is. And Vlogtober was hosted by Sassy Ren, Simply Carla Jones, and Tycoon Am3 NBA. Today they're posting a $30 full Amazon outfit. However, guys, I decided to do this video instead because I already had an Amazon purchase on my phone of these bar stools. So I decided to do this video and show you guys instead of the $30 outfit. But all their links are gonna be down in my description box, so you guys can go over and check them out. All right, yes. So I'm just going to be showing you guys the different parts that came with this tool, and I'm just going to be setting it up for you guys. So just continue to watch the process, and I hope you guys already hit that thumbs up button. I hope you already subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel before. Yes, I hope you hit that subscribe button. All right, no joke. So guys, you can see how all the parts are like in big pieces. There's nothing complex about this setup process, and in this little package I have all my screws that I need to work with, and that little screwdriver thingy that you use to screw the screws. If you understand what I'm talking about. Yes, everything is in this little package. So yeah, as I said before, there's nothing complex about this, and anyone can do it. Even maybe Kendra could set this up for me. Yeah, I could just lay down and relax and Kendra set this up for me, and she's only 11. That's how simple it is. And this is the beautiful stool color. Yes, this can blend in with anything in your home. So whatever decor you're going with, this will just blend in with it, if you understand what I'm saying. I'm acting as if I'm doing a commercial for them. No, I'm not. I'm not affiliate with them in any way. I wish I would though, but yeah, I'm yet to set up an Amazon store, and when I do, I will let you guys know, so that you can, if you need to order these stuff, you can just click on the link in my description box, and then yeah, I will be able to earn from that. But for now, I don't have an affiliate link and I don't have an Amazon store. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and set this up for you guys. Yes, and you will see how simple this is. So now I can hear Tycoon saying, didn't she just say that it's pretty simple? Why did she have to call Crystal to help her? Well, the reason for that is because if someone is not holding the footrest in the right position, because the footrest should be facing the front of the chair, so I need her to hold it down so that I can apply the screws in the right place. Yes, so that it's positioned properly. All right, so that's just what we're doing here, because if you don't do that, you might end up having the footrest at the back of the chair or the side of the chair, and we don't want that, because we'd have to pull it down and reset it. So to avoid that problem, I need her to just hold on to it for me while I screw the screws in. Okay, Tycoon? Yeah. So now both parts are completed, and I'm just going to put them together and test it to see if it goes down properly and if it comes up properly. And as you can see, it is working just fine. It comes up when I pump it up and it goes down when I pump it down. Yes, guys, yes, there they are. Look at them, looking shiny and beautiful. Yes, if you like it, give the video a thumbs up. All right, yes, give the video a thumbs up. You know that little thumb that you see down on your left hand corner under the video, just go boop and click it. Okay, just click it, and make sure that you're subscribed for more amazing videos. Yes, and remember, all the Vlogtober crew, their links are going to be down in my description box for you guys to go check them out, and I am definitely going to leave this link for you guys. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow in my other video. Bye guys.